Hello students, there is a question of JEE Mains 2023 13th April concept Saturday. Two charges, each of magnitude is given over here 0.01 coulomb and separated by a distance of 0.4 millimeter. The charge of dipole is separated by 0.4 millimeter. And the separation between both charges of the electric dipole is called dipole length. So we can say that it is given as dipole length. And dipole length is separated by 12. It means 12 is equal to 0.04 millimeter. If the dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, suppose there is a uniform electric field where this electric dipole is placed, and the electric field value is given 10 dipole per coulomb, making 30 degree, and this dipole moment makes an angle 30 degree with the electric field. Then the magnitude of torque acting on the dipole. So torque acting on the dipole in a uniform magnetic field is equal to P cross E, or you can say that P is sin theta. So suppose first of all we have to find the P dipole moment. Dipole moment is equal to we know that the electric dipole moment equal to the product of magnitude of either charge of electric dipole with its dipole length. Here charge is given as 0.01 coulomb, 0.01 coulomb, and dipole length is given as 0.4 millimeter. Now we convert in meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Then we get that is 4 1s are 4 and to 10 to the power minus 3 point, 2 point and 1 point, that is divided by 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. Now it can be written as 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb meter. Now we have to find the torque. Torque is equal to P sin theta. When an electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, then torque expression on the electric dipole is equal to P sin theta, where P is the electric dipole moment, is the electric field, and theta is the angle between electric dipole moment and electric field. Here electric dipole is given as moment is given as 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into is the electric field intensity. Electric field intensity is given as 10 dyne per coulomb. 10 dyne, now dyne can be converted in SI unit, that is Newton. 1 dyne is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. 10 to the power minus 5 Newton per coulomb, and sin theta is given over here 30 degree. Now we calculate 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power plus 1, that is 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 5, 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. And sin 30 is 1 by 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 Newton meter. It means C option is correct. Thank you for watching.